Hi everyone, this is Bill Fitz from Bill Fitz Sports Cars and Phil Fitz Ford located in Newcastle, Pennsylvania. Today we're highlighting our 1966 Mustang Factory GT Coupe. This car is a real GT. It comes with a factory 289 4-barrel engine, automatic transmission, power steering, and power brakes. Also has a 6 grand rally pack, and it's a very nice car that we got out of the state of Florida. It originally came from Mississippi. We even have the window sticker showing all these options on the car, including a limited slip differential. Here's our 66 Mustang GT, showing the interior, showing the motor. Has factory air conditioning, runs nice and smooth. I'm going to show you a little bit of the interior now. Showing you the air conditioning, AM radio, and the 6 grand rally pack. It also has a rear speaker option, which is very unusual. It does have an aftermarket console with a center cup holders. And then finally, shows you how nice the trunk has been detailed out. And that GT dual exhaust tips. Bill Fitz, Newcastle, Pennsylvania.